Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into a simple yet essential task: copying a message on Gmail using your PC, especially with the latest updates. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to gmail.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your messages seamlessly. Once you're in, we'll navigate to a handy tool in Gmail. Next, look for the 9-dot grid icon next to your profile photo in the top right corner. It's a menu that gives you access to various Google services. Click on it, and from the drop-down, choose Chat. This will open up your chat window where you can find all your recent conversations. Now, locate the chat that contains the message you want to copy. Once you've found it, scroll through the conversation to pinpoint the exact message you need. This part might take a little scrolling, but it's essential to ensure you're grabbing the right words. After you've found the message, it's time to copy it. Click and drag your mouse to select the words you wish to copy. Make sure you highlight everything you need, leaving no important bits behind. Once selected, right-click on the highlighted text. You'll see a menu pop up, Choose Copy. And that's it. You've successfully copied a message from Gmail on your PC. You can now paste it wherever you need it, whether it's in another email, a document, or a note. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next video.